Hi YouTube. So I wanted to take and do a little bit of a haul. Here, put my phone down. Sorry, Tobi's in here right now. I used to sew quite a bit. I bought a new sewing machine. This here isn't like a real high-tech sewing machine, but I just wanted to get a new sewing machine so that I can take and start sewing again. I got a really good deal on this sewing machine from Amazon. Come here. He keeps unplugging my phone. It's okay, just sit down. Say hi. Say hi. Whoops. So I just wanted to show a couple of the things that I got with it. The first thing is I got some just basic all-purpose black and white thread. Oh, excuse you. Yeah, ew. Huh? Yeah. You gonna help? Take the next one out. And then I grabbed a new tomato cushion. You like that? I grabbed some glass head pens. Oh God, where are you going? I grabbed a new tape measure. I grabbed some hand needles. Some bobbins. A new all-purpose cutter for the fabric. And a seam ripper. Hold on. Tobi just turned the TV on. Sorry about that, you guys. Don't turn it on. But I just wanted to do this quick haul. I still have some more things coming. I may wait to upload this until I have that completely. But this is the sewing machine. It is a Brother sewing machine. And it does quilting and just all kinds of fun little things. It has a bunch of stitches. So I haven't actually opened it yet, but this is what it looks like. I will probably open it and show the rest of it. Hold on, give me that. Thank you. So, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Let's get off the rest of it. Are you stuck on the tape? Here we go. Yay! Pull real hard. Pull. Pull. You got it? Pull. Pull real hard. There you go. Whoops. Okay, pull real hard. Pull. Pull. Pull this one. Pull real hard. Oh, lots of strength. Lots of strength. You got it? Yay! Thank you, Tobi. Thank you. Can you get it open? Oh, let's leave that there. Let's get the other one open. Ooh. Ooh, is that cool? Say ooh. Whoa. There we go. So here's what comes in it. Here is the cord, the foot pedestal, which actually has an on and off, and so that's really not necessary. This here comes with a couple different a couple different pieces for the foot. Here, let's put this down. What happened? Do you need a kiss? Hey, a kiss? There you go. Say thank you. Say thank you. Okay. Kissing that, huh? So it has a cover. Looks like there's a couple of manuals in here. Let's open it. There should be some more parts inside of here. This is for the quilting part of it. So it goes and has measurement. Is that cool? Yeah, it's a wide table for when you make quilts, huh? Or blankets, or anything else. Cool. Blankets. Can you say blankets? He said it. Oh, you go night-night. Your mama said you took a nap. You shouldn't be tired. You took a nap. Let me put this down real quick. And here is the sewing machine. Very nice. Oh, Tobi just got into the Bean Boozled, and it looks like he didn't like what he got. He's saying, ew. I don't know if you guys have watched that video, but we have a Bean Boozled video. You guys definitely need to watch it. I'm okay. Put it back. Oh, you're going to eat it? We'll find out if it's gross or not. Yeah. Looks like he got barf. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and post some more once I get the other stuff. And thank you very much. Bye.